Aloha! This is Clarence coming at you. If you're looking for the best beach on Oahu, here it is. Lanikai Beach was recognized as one of the best beaches in the world in 2023, and it is often voted as one of the best beaches in the United States. This gorgeous beach is about 30 minutes from Waikiki, and I will tell you everything you need to know. So come along on this adventure. Lanikai Beach is known for its soft sand and stunning views of the Mokulua Islands, or the Mokes if you're trying to learn the local lingo. This beach is about half a mile long. There are no designated parking spaces for this amazing beach, but street parking is available during the weekdays only. This beach is located in a quiet neighborhood, so please be respectful. Lanikai means heavenly sea, and that name is fitting for this stretch of paradise. This beach is located in a community with exclusive homes that are just fabulous, and this beach is free for everyone to enjoy. You can easily access Lanikai Beach by public transportation, or if you decide to drive, once you park, just follow the beach access pathway to your little piece of paradise. Lanikai Beach is a quintessential Hawaiian beach with soft white sand and beautiful blue waters. You can hang out for hours just listening to the water and enjoying the views. If you are seeking a little more adventure, you can also kayak, windsurf, kite surf, stand-up paddleboard, swim, and snorkel. But the visibility for snorkeling is not that good. This beach is your island getaway, and it is great for rest and relaxation. Although the pros greatly outweigh the cons for this beach, you should be aware that Lanikai Beach does not have any amenities such as showers and restrooms. This beach also does not have any lifeguards on duty, and Portuguese man-o-war or jellyfish and stinging limu or seaweed can be found in the water, especially from June through September. Additionally, there aren't any food options near or on the beach. Lanikai is located very close to Kailua Beach, but Lanikai is a better looking beach. Kailua Beach is popular because it has parking and amenities. Lanikai has grown in popularity, and I recommend going early to secure a good spot. If you want to see an amazing sunrise, the Lanikai Pillbox hike is a great option. I have included a link in the description. This beach is excellent for families, and it is pet friendly. This beach is amazing, but because of its beauty, it can be very crowded at times. That is why I recommend Waimanalo Beach as a great alternative. I have included a link in the description. I would not recommend going to Lanikai Beach on the weekends or major holidays because there is no public parking available and street parking is prohibited as well. If you decide to make Lanikai Beach your island getaway destination, you might also want to stop by Buzz's for some delicious food and Island Snow for some spectacular shave ice. Whatever you decide, please keep safe and enjoy your free adventure. If you want to see more content like this, let me know what you think in the comments, and please subscribe. Aloha!